Hi, my name is Alberto Mendoza, and I'm industrial engineer student. And this is the step 3. This step is identify technology evaluate. My tutor is Juan Miguel Olave. This is my brainstorming. And the problem is uh, lack of information on production costs. The first idea is the technological maturity. And this is for a lack of information about this technology. The second idea is a little commercialization of intellectual property. Uh, this a little commercialization is for a little creation of technology, the transfer office, the OTT. This is the this is in the university. Actually, don't have a good, don't have office for technology transfer. Three idea is business advantage. Uh, this is for unaware of the national and international market. And the last idea is technology management. This is for understanding of technology. Two recommendation. The first will be the university should be create a technology transfer office to facilitate the commercialization of intellectual property. The second recommendation is the new technologies must be markets with a higher degree of technology maturity to rate their cost. That's all. Thank you.